Kanina po stop mo.
Morning.
Game.
Looking for you.
Camels. What's that? Huh? It's a camel.
Feel the beat, it's in the air. Lights are flashing everywhere. Move your body, let it go, and the rhythm will glow. This is the night, this is the sound. Dancing together, we're on.
Hello, good morning Cebu. We are here in Cebu. So this is our start. Yes. This is our start, our vlog. We're traveling Cebu, traveling from Dumaguete, traveling to Cebu because we go to Cebu Safari for school field trip to Sahira. Oh, it's really nice, no? The clouds is just like an angel, if you notice. So this is what you call that, the bridge. There's people walking in the top. So you need to exercise, you walk there. Oh my God. So we are close to that, to what you call that. So look at the, what you call that, oh, the big,
SNCT. No, SNCT Troll. That was seaside.
over there.
SN seaside in 4 minutes. Where's that? Kind of.
We're near to go out there. We just stop over there. We are in the mountain.
Check in.
Wala lagi animal.
Batang grabe yung area niya.
Ako, tabi na dito ba?
Ako, dito na dito.
Kanang tibok.
Oo. Iya,
Kailan na mo sakay ta anak ma?
Yes.
sakay na ano. Yeah, may sila dito.
Ooh.
Eh, naano sila?
Picture din sila, oh.
Just bring your...
Guys, good morning.
Look, where's your mom? Sige, next Estrada.
So the whole park is about 170 plus.
Oh,
Yeah.
270.
Then we have 120 species of plants. Right where we stand, nasa tayo sa Welcome Pavilion. Siya. So from here sa Welcome Pavilion, John will take you to first drop-off area, which is the Michelle's Garden. So in Michelle's Garden, we have Gardens of the World, lots of orchids, mayanas, and we also have children's playground. There is some Michelle's Garden.
Na, di na,
Okay.
na,
After garden, There's drum stop. Letter D na ay signage dito. Drum stop. Waiting area ni siya para sakay mo drum going to here sa base camp. So first drop off area and second stop is base camp. Here sa base camp, we have kangaroo, emu, wallaby, and ivory dome. So, here sa base camp is this is your lunch
No
area.
elephant.
So, free and easy lang. 10:30 to 3 p.m. Or bahala if ever mag-lunch na mo. So, 10:30 to 3 p.m. lang. Okay, sa base camp. Okay? So, after your short tour, if there is a base camp, so drum will take you to 4 key attractions na rin. Ano siya yung waiting area. So, ang drum, punta ninyo sa 4 key attractions. Those are white lion, camel, birds of the world, and African savanna. So, from there, travel mo drum going to here. First drop off 4 key attractions. White lion. So, after, camel, birds of the world, and then travel na sa mo going to African savanna. Ano siya ang 4 key attractions and the farthest part sa park na hindi malakaw. Okay? Drums will take care of you of these areas. White lion and African savanna are tour guided vehicle but one-time ride for nila. Okay? So, this is the last, ang African savanna. After your tour here, you will start walking all the way down self-guided. Meaning you will encounter the rest of the animals by walking na. Okay? The park is mostly walking tour. Drums are only half in, half out. Okay? Then, from here, start ninyo ma-encounter ang mga crocodiles, African lion, cheetah, giraffe, and here sa outpost. Sa right side, there sa outpost is mga aquatic birds. Ninyo. Makita rin na ninyo sa restaurant na dito sa aquatic birds. Mag-view na ninyo. Then sa left side is mga primates. We have mga monkeys, orangutans, gibbons, lemurs.
Gibbons, it will go on your head and
The way
then
down
pee
na
on
lang
your
na siya.
head. You know that?
Kaya na pa-encounter while nag-walk mo. Then, we have bird show. Dito sa Safari Stadium. 1:45 p.m. Okay, we have one schedule today. The bird show, 1:45 p.m. And then, few reminders lang. When taking pictures of the animals, turn off the flash of your phones. No shouting, minimize your voice always. Then, no smoking. Please supervise your kids at all times. Okay. There are some areas, mga pathways siya sa guest, but nasa mo ang okay. Then, no running lang yun. Do not feed animals unless they're in a designated feeding area. Na may animals na pwede ma-feed nato. Like there is a aviary dome, a carviary, and birds of the world, mga birds pwede feed. So, pwede mo mag-buy dito sunflower seeds, each cup or fruit. Feed lang ninyo ang bird. But,
Bye! See you in lunch! Chada to chada. Oh, the same day.
The same ready.
Tuwa ka? Alay mo. Oh, mo de ito? Nay, murag mo ni? Oh, kani, chada.
Ala, di magpili pa ta.
Go in.
I go swim there.
You go swim there. Murag. Ibutang sa bag. Ibutang sa bag.
Lagi na, oh.
Hmm?
Si Mama.
Dali. Oh, sorry, Bing. Wow. Nara sa taas, oh.
So colorful.
Wow!
There, oh.
What's a hira-hira? Oh, ala!
You want to read? That a crocodile?
More siyang peacock.
Sit na, tindog dira na. Pungko ana. Sige na.
Morning ka later? Tomorrow ba tomorrow? Wow, ayaw. Arabella, be aware this. Okay, be aware of the word. Let's avoid the word. No. Oh my God!
Thank you po.
So another destination.
They said there's tigers. Can we call them? I want to do like this.
Center lang ang bata, ma'am.
Okay na kasi lag-life. Oh, good. They have a good life here. Bye. My God. dali lang dyan. Oh my God. Sunata sa mga tanong. Hindi ba? Second stop is a white lion. Come on.
White line is branching, sir.
Come on.
Inay lang.
So next stop is the white lion.
Everyone, so welcome to White Lion Safari. So for your safety and comfort, make sure avoid standing while the truck is still moving. Then please secure hold in the grab bars. Do not use flash photography and selfie sticks during the tour. And also please refrain from extending your fingers outside the truck. So by the way, inside you will see the 3 lions. So that will breed and raised in captivity from France. But these lions are originated from South Africa. And these lions have the area of 1.2 hectares so that they can roam around freely and exercise their natural behavior. So this 1.2 hectares is just for the 3 of them so that they can roam around freely lang.
Nagdikam-kam siya.
Okay, so for those who are on the left side, you can stand up here so you can see the line at the right side lang. Yung nasa front is remains at down lang, so yung nasa likod is both. 3 lions, namely Jack, Max, and Bugoy. So they're all male siblings and they're 8 years old, but they're turning 9 this year, so this May 1. And you might be also wondering why they're called white lions, but they're not totally white. That's because they're not albino and they have the genetic condition it's called eucism. So which means they have a partial loss of pigmentation resulting into pale or nearly white in color. And they also adapt the climate here in the Philippines. But naturally when they are cubs, they are purely white. And since they're carnivores, so we feed them with dressed chicken or beef, 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Oh. A lot.
Kaon din sila tao day.
Yes.
Yeah, carnivorous.
So lions also are nocturnal, so meaning they're more active at night and sleepy during the daytime. And they can sleep 16 to 20 hours a day.
Excuse me, how do you not get them to like bite you while you're feeding them?
When we feed them, they have the area that the area where they eat. So by whistle of the keeper, they will go to the holding facility.
So they know where to. What happens if they
8
jump
years
in
old,
here?
turning 9 this
What
year.
happens if they jump in?
No, they are not.
Asa.
Yes, ma'am.
So cute, first time ko makita.
Yeah.
No, you don't want
Amazing,
to
eh.
touch it, but I'm not.
Buksan inay.
喧嘩しちゃうからね、奥さんいたらね。
Sila. Ay. Sugoy. Yakimochi na.
So that's their natural behavior here in captivity since their food is provided. So unlike they're in the wild, so they have to look or hunt for the food pa.
They're healthy.
So
That's
if
my
you
lion.
give the
Yeah.
food, so you have a place.
Yes, sir. Nasa sila designated area kung asa sila may tao.
So all are chicken.
Yeah.
Dressed chicken or beef, sir.
beef.
Good
So,
night.
baka. Baka, usi. Baka, ano, lubot sa diskilo. Philippine goat.
That's not
And the maximum weight of the male lion can be around 180 kilogram, while the females can be around 130.
Hi, good morning. For Camillaria, ma'am, sir, your next attraction. Morning.
Game.
For you.
What's that?
Huh? It's a camel. No, don't touch anything there.
Sige ma'am, matubang ma'am.
So cute. Here.
Where's her head?
Huh?
Where's her head?
That's the head. Oh, look at oh. Hi.
I thought that was the face. Heart daw mo, maghimo man na silang heart.
Di ba malupad din sila?
Natulog tanawa na to.
Asa?
One stand. Tara, one stand siya oh.
Asa?
Tara oh.
Kato?
The other one.
So cute. I thought they were pink. They were pink?
They are pink.
Yeah, white pink. Peacock.
Hey, don't go there.
You will not quarrel.
So let's go. Hoy, get your towel. Sahira, can you please take it off your towel? Bird poop. Be careful. There's a
Bird poke, nipple.
there's a vitamins.
Okay. Poke,
What is this? That's amphibian. Where's the bird? Your daddy cannot walk like this, Sahira. Hi.
Hello. So go on ahead.
Hi.
You can actually, they can bite you a little.
What?
What's your name?
I will name you Jared.
I'm going to name her Purple.
Wait, sir.
Purple Phoebe.
This one. Hi. Hello.
They can actually bite you.
Ito, They're not cooking.
Old one. Pelican?
Pelican. Korea pelican. This is pelican.
Ooh. Nice siya color. Wah, nahadlo ka. Nagtukag bitin. Dili na limpyo na sa ato. I-clean the pond. Asa ka man? Dili. Oh. Another one, Sahira. Oh. I want to feed the bird. I want to feed the bird. 50? Feed the bird. Oh, there's a bird. Oh. Yeah. I don't like it. Stand up there. You open, babe. You go. Move. Yeah. Ipaduol. Oh. Iubos. No choice, let them finish. Dalhan na lang na on. Saan na siya? Where to put this? Ask Kuya. Where to put this? Thank you. This is really much fun, right? What's that? Ayaw. Ayaw doon. Siya iro.
Southeast Asia.
No, that's not the arrow.
Bintorong.
Meerkat.
So
Xiao Miao.
I thought this was its eye. I thought this was its eye.
And she thought this was a beehive.
Binturong. Uy, asa ta siya? Nawala ato ra.
Ay, ayun. Duha din sila kabuok. I thought isa.
Ang taas na niya, oh.
this adventure so far is good. So good. Wow. So kato man na siyang makita siguro dito, no? Wala mo na kuan ni Imloelier. Oh, kadako. Kadako mangyud eh.
Ganda ng view, no?
Ari i-held imong kasal. Wala yun. Wow na wow.
Sige na, ma'am. Ikaw, ma'am.
Na! Wow na. Balo dali yung may alba.
You can still remember the name of the thing from Fire God in Aralpan.
It means dili ta ka arang.
Let's watch. I want to see a gazelle. Diri was the last time. Last year we went here. It was raining. Yeah. It was just
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the crowd is moving. Secure your hold on the platform and avoid using flash photography and self-distance. And lastly, please don't try to reach out or run out. Somewhere inside, we have a species of articles, and our highlight is zebras. Let's start with on your right side, that is Tremsbach or Oryx gazelle, or Madame Gazelle of the movie Petal. They are known for, you can stand up po, you're nasa left side. They are known for their long and straight horn, which can grow up to 33 inches. And they can survive without drinking water for a month or even a year. That's because they will just depend on the moisture of a plant that they consume. Once again, Tremsbach or Oryx gazelle. And those are Impala, a medium size of antelope that is brown in color with slim legs. In spite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the fleet runners and fantastic jumpers of the savannah. For they can run up to 90 km/h, they can jump 3 meters in height, and they can live 10 meters in length. Only male have horn while female don't have. Once again, Impala. Ang ilaw ito sa kasamang sungay, while ang antelope mas straight or katulog. Nasa may camel ay dinarita sa mga Spanish. Tremsbach. Wala, sir. Meron sila ipagawa sa pulang-puhon sa kanila. Under training. That's their holding area. Sorry, nine with different guys. Zebra. Startsville. The other ones are with a long and twisted horn, and that is Greater Kodo. And or in nature. And yung color gray, those are Waterbuck, a large antelope that is gray to reddish brown in color with white circular ring on its rumps. And they have that stinky smell. And the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the stinkier the male is, the more attractive they are to the female. So, papahuay ni Diriya. And those are Ilan, one of the largest antelope. And despite of their huge size, they are great jumpers, where they can jump up to 8 feet, and they can run 25 miles per hour. Female Ilan can produce milk 7 liters per day. That is richer in fat than a cow's milk. And that baby Ilan is just 2 months old. Pati yung baby Waterbuck. Once again, Greater Kodo, Waterbuck, and Ilan. No baby zebras, 4 years old and 5 years old, GJ and
their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of their built-in sunscreen. And on the other side, yung color gray, those are wildebeest. A large antelope with a gray coat and black mane on its face. And if you are familiar with the movie Lion King, they are the same species who accidentally killed King Mufasa during stampede. And they are also known as the clown of the savannah because of its unusual dance moves to attract female during mating season. Once again, bless back and wildebeest.
Bye! Zebra!
Months pala po na sir. Months. 5 months and 4 months. Zebras, they are black in color with white stripes. And their stripes are unique just like our fingerprints. There's no two zebras that has the same pattern. And they can sleep while standing with open eyes because they have lapping joints just like horses and giraffes. Yung medyo light brown is female, yung black is male. Once again, the other one there, that is Samson's gazelle. The smallest antelope that we have here in African savanna. And they can run up to 80 km/h. They are cute looking, but after adult size already, they will not grow up. Once again, Samson's gazelle. And
That's a big one.
10 feet crocodile in safari. 10 foot.
Ulit kami. Ang ating may line ni Dre. Exit. Turtle. Don't touch. So, ikaw rin habilin. Gisulit ni mo, Bing.
Okay raw. Gitagas na magkita. Hindi ako yung kauban ko.
Nara si teacher. Oh. Asa? Tara. Then, ikaw man ani, ma'am?
Next month is African lion.
Ah.
Going down cheap.
So, guys, another tourist attraction. So, look at their cactus, guys. This cactus. Watch your kids. What is this?
What's that there?
Nothing.
Okay.
Oh,
What's that?
it's a big turtle. Turtleios. Here. Here, tabi. So, what's this here? Wala man. I don't know what is inside here. Wala na. Wala lagi live. African. What's up? Wala lagi. Wala man dere. Nini kuan. It's empty, baby. No inside. Turtle.
Go in the shell. Mother turtle.
Dere. Dere sa hira. Asa?
Kita mo hindi? Ang ganda lang mo. Yellow and black. Kita mo?
Ito isa ka pa nag sa triga.
Ayun, sa may bamboo.
Ayan na. Nagising na kasi ang ingay nyo.
Ayan, kita mo?
Naglay down.
Okay. Kita mo ang isa, wala?
Nara.
Ayun yung sa taas ang isa. Yung head niya doon. Ay, sorry. Ayun, yung sa taas. Yung sa may stone banda sa taas.
Hello, Cheetah.
Siguro hindi naman.
The cheetah is
Tita! Hello, tita!
Tita, guwapa.
Oh, here, big one. That's your sister, Sahira.
Mupasa mo, dito.
There, oh.
Mupasa mo, gribble.
Here. Nitanaw ni mo sa. There's a little one. Now look at, oh. Monkey.
There more.
Yeah. Okay.
Piyong-piyong man, nagtago.
Tara na.
Asa man na?
It's hiding.
Ay, hindi siya makita. Wala ka, wala klaro.
Asa?
She's hiding over there.
Where?
There.
Where?
There. There. Hi, Sahira.
Ma, picture daw.
Ayaw ra. Dali ka man mo ani asa mo lakaw ba dito? Ah. So this is the hacienda of M. Lowellier. We go there. Huh? Oh. Hyena.
Ayan na.
See, he's sleepy. So look at, oh.
I want to touch.
No, you cannot touch. Woo! Hi! Hello, Bio.
Hi.
Picture.
Lights are flashing everywhere. Move